Wipe down. Clean a surface by wiping. She wiped down the kitchen counter after cooking. She wiped down the dining table after dinner. Sweep up. Remove dirt or dust using a broom. He swept up the crumbs from the kitchen floor. He swept up the leaves from the backyard. Wash out. Clean the inside of something. She washed out the stain from her shirt. You should wash out the paintbrushes after using them. Dust off. Remove dust from something. I had to dust off the old bookshelf. She dusted off the table before kids arrive. Mop up. Clean liquid using a mop or cloth. She mopped up the spilled water quickly. He mopped up the juice spilled in the kitchen. Take out. Remove garbage. He took out the trash last night. She took out the recycling in the morning. Pick up. Remove things from the floor and put them in their places. Please pick up your clothes from the floor. The kids picked up their toys before bedtime. Scrub off. Remove dirt by scrubbing. I had to scrub off the stains from the table. I had to scrub off the dirt from my shoes. Tidy up. Organize and make neat. Let's tidy up the living room before our friends arrive. He tidied up his desk before starting work. Clean up. Make a place tidy. I need to clean up my room before guests arrive. We need to clean up the park after the event. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.